My daughter's currently asleep. It's whisper mode. It's a Love Me Hair wig install, and it's a full lace wig, as in you can part this bad boy wherever you please. You're gonna absolutely love it. I'm gonna just show you guys briefly what it looked like when it came out of the package, everything wise. Texture wise, what it looked like wise. The knots were bleached, but I went in and bleached it again, as you guys are going to see. But I really took my time with this wig because I felt like all of my past wig installs, I kind of just been moving fast, and I know a lot of people don't really know how to put on wigs. I feel like I cater more towards women and men who are new to wigs, but they still want them to look nice and natural, and they want like minimal. That's me. I don't sleep in wigs. I don't do anything. So I had to say my spiel before we get in this super easy tutorial. But I actually really enjoy this hair. Like when it first came, it was curled, so I didn't technically know what kind of texture it was going to be, but I love a good loose wave because it's low maintenance and you guys are going to absolutely love. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get right into it.
Stop playing with him. Jada Vinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
I think that this is going to be my new go-to wig. It kind of just fits perfectly. I don't know, it's just such a good wig. I love how long it is. Let me stand up. Be for real, it's giving inches, but I love the aesthetic and the style it's giving right now. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I think you guys would absolutely love this hair. Low maintenance, super wavy yet beautiful. It can straighten beautifully, it can hold a curl beautifully, you know what I mean? You guys would love. All right, follow me on TikTok. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jan Beyonce.